Boys and Girls Club. My name is Mr. Chris, and I'm here with
Brian
and
Emily.
And today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a lava lamp at your house.
It's yellow and it's different color now.
So to start off, we're going to need a couple stuff. We're going to need
White vinegar. White vinegar.
white vinegar. I'm going to set that over here.
We put in
We're going to need some
vegetable
oil,
and some baking soda
baking soda,
and some cup.
a jar.
A jar.
a cup works too. And some Mio. Or you can use food coloring. Yeah, food coloring if you have food coloring. And then just another cup. Okay, so what's first? Any
Baking
ideas?
soda.
Baking soda. Okay, so who wants to put the baking soda in?
Yeah, you do baking soda.
Alright,
Why did that?
I'm gonna put
You have to like
maybe a little bit more.
I'm squishing on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna
Okay.
squish it.
Gotta get a good amount on the bottom.
I'm squishing on it. You say to
Mhm.
stop. I'm taking so long.
It's okay.
Don't worry, that's what happened.
Maybe a little bit more. A little shaky shake. You might need a little bit more.
Like that. Who cares about that?
Oops.
Who cares?
You might spill a little bit, but that's okay. Okay. I think that's enough baking soda.
Whoa.
Okay. Now what's next? What are we gonna put in here? What are we gonna fill this with?
Vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil. Okay, so Emily, you
Not
wanna...
me, because I'm gonna make a mess. I'm making a mess.
No, yeah, Emily, you're gonna put the vegetable oil in here.
I already make a mess. So
That's
now.
okay.
So all the way to the top.
Almost all the way, like right where the line
I'm
is.
gonna help you.
A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay, that's all.
Okay,
I like
so now, what's next?
put some this.
Yes. White vinegar.
And the last
We're
one.
not gonna put a lot here. Oh, we'll put
Color.
this. This is kind of heavy.
Mio. Okay. You don't need that much.
Yeah, a little fine.
Oh my god. Okay, you gonna
Okay.
squeeze it? Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze it.
Now the food coloring.
You have to do it with your both hands.
Okay, that's good.
And do
All
that.
right. So now we got that mixed up. So now we're gonna pour it in, and that's where the magic happens. Who wants to?
Me. I
Okay, you guys can both do it. Okay.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Whoa.
So notice how the white vinegar does not mix with the oil. That's why you can stay in bubbles.
Look at the top. It's all purple. The top is so cool. Oh, it smells like meal. It smells good though. It smells like blueberries. It smells like blue. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it off. And look at what happens. This is. And look at that. Cool. It's yellow and it's different color now. Now it's different. It looks so cool. That looks a good experiment. Looks
Those look like little grapes.
They look like balls. They look like balls because this one pop. It doesn't pop.
And if you guys want to keep it going for a little bit more, for a little bit longer, you can add a little bit more baking soda.
Do it again.
If you add a little bit more baking soda, a little bit more white vinegar,
And Mio.
some more Mio, and you pour it in,
And then
it'll
work again.
it'll go again.
Not that much. It explodes a little bit and then work again.
We spilled a little bit, but that's okay.
Well, let's try again. Not again.
All right, let's try it again.
Let's put
Yeah.
some more meal.
Don't be shy, put some more. Yeah. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy, put some more.
Brian.
Right,
I'm putting Mio.
okay, we don't need that to say that no more. Now I'm gonna put baking
A
soda.
little bit, a little bit.
Put some more, put some more, put some more.
Don't be shy. Put some more.
Okay, that's enough. Some more.
Okay. And add a little bit of baking soda.
Okay, and look what happens. It's gonna explode. Watch out, guys. Wait, it didn't. Oh my god! Oh my god! Explodes again! Explodes!
Oh, it smells like grapes now. Purple grape.
It smells like a little bit grapes.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video.
And that's how you make a lava lamp.
This is how you make a lava lamp.